Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Welcome, welcome, welcome one and all to the University of Auckland's English Language Academy, ELA. My name is Paul O'Farrell and I am the Director of ELA. And in this video I will give you some important information about English language undergraduate pathways through ELA, two main programs at the University of Auckland. ELA is wholly owned by the University of Auckland, and we work very closely together with the faculties to make sure that students who study at ELA are best prepared for success when they continue their studies at the University of Auckland. ELA is located on the university campus. We are at the southern end of the campus, but within 10 minutes walk of the major faculties and the central library. The ELA team are trained to ensure that students who study with us have the best chance of success when they continue their study journey at the University of Auckland. Now, you may recognize this document. It is a conditional offer to study at the university, and that condition is English language. To join an ELA pathway program, you must have a conditional offer from the University of Auckland. You can then study a program at ELA of between 10 to 30 weeks. And on successful completion of this program, you can enter your main program at the University of Auckland without a further English language test. Now, you may be thinking, why should I choose an ELA program? Can I enter the University of Auckland simply by taking an IELTS test or a Pearson PTE test? Yes, you can. However, those tests are designed to assess your English level. They do not help you prepare for success when you get to the University of Auckland. There are 4 key reasons why choosing an ELA pathway program is an excellent idea. Firstly, it gives you direct entry to the undergraduate program. If you successfully complete your ELA program, you are not required to take any additional English language testing. Once you successfully complete your ELA program, we inform the admissions team at the University of Auckland, and then the English language condition on your offer is removed. Secondly, these programs are designed with input from the faculties, from the people who will be teaching you when you continue on to your main program. We know what you will need to succeed at the University of Auckland, and we have included this important content into our courses. The quality of teaching at ELA is something we regularly receive positive feedback from our students on. In the last year, 95% of students studying at ELA spoke very positively about their teaching and learning experience. And finally, ELA programs use a special learning management system called Canvas. Canvas is from the United States. It's used at many of the top universities around the world, including Harvard and Yale universities, and of course the University of Auckland too. So by getting experience with Canvas at ELA, you will be getting a head start when you continue your program at the University of Auckland. In addition to meeting the English language requirements for the university, our pathway programs also give you the skills and strategies that you will need to succeed in your university program. We will help you focus on developing your academic literacy, not just your ability to read and write essays, but also your abilities to research, your abilities to take part in group discussions. We will give you strategies for project work. We will help you develop your confidence for presentations. These are all essential skills that you will be required to use when you continue your programs at the University of Auckland. Of course, it's not just all about study. We will also help you develop your softer skills, the ability to integrate into New Zealand culture and society. We will help you make friends and develop relationships. We have excellent social programs and activities, cultural and also sporting, to make sure that you get the most of your time in New Zealand. Now, we have 3 undergraduate pathways available for you. They range from 10 weeks, the shortest program, through to 30 weeks. The 10-week program is called EPUS, English Pathway for Undergraduate Studies. And this is designed for students who have just missed out on the entry level required for their English language skills to the university. The EPUS program is 200 hours, and that is delivered over 10 weeks. Over summer school, it's a little bit shorter. It's developed over 7 weeks. The entry level for EPUS will depend on which program you're going to study at the University of Auckland. You can see the details here, but you can also find more details on our website. So that is 10 weeks accelerated program. Our standard program is 20 weeks, and this is FCERT, Foundation Certificate in English for Academic Purposes. This is 400 hours delivered over 20 weeks. And again, you can enter this program via IELTS or via Pearson or TOEFL, or you can also take an ELA test. The details of this ELA test are on screen, but you can find more details on our website. The final program, the longer program, is designed for students maybe whose English level is a little bit lower. And this is FCERT Plus. So it's a 30-week program. It's 10 weeks of academic English, followed by 20 weeks of English for academic purposes. The entry level again is on screen, and for this program you can also enter via an ELA test. Regardless of the program you are studying, you are required to pass both mid-block assessments at ELA and end-of-block assessments. The final score that you will achieve, or that you need to achieve, will depend on what is required by the University of Auckland. For more information, I recommend that you visit our website. There you can find an overview of these different course options. You can find more information about our student support services, and you can also apply to study at ELA. Now, if you have specific questions about your studies at the university, and here I mean your main program studies, your diploma or degree programs, you should contact the University of Auckland directly, and there you can find the webpage where you can contact them. But if your question is specifically about ELA and our pathway programs, you are very welcome to contact us directly. And to keep up to date with the latest information about what's happening at ELA, I recommend that you check our social media channels, particularly Facebook and Instagram. I hope you have found this information helpful. I understand that undertaking study in a foreign country is a big decision, and you may have other questions. So please feel free to contact us. We are here to support you with your English language pathway to undergraduate studies at the University of Auckland. I hope that we will welcome you in the near future as a student at ELA. Until then, thank you very much and best of luck.